Shree Steel Corporation offers a wide range of mild steel flat products. MS Flat is a type of steel product that is commonly used in construction and industrial applications. Its rectangular shape and constant thickness make it perfect for a wide range of structural and manufacturing applications. MS Flat can be easily cut, shaped, and welded to create custom structures and components. MS Flat is widely available in different sizes, thicknesses, and grades to meet the specific requirements of various projects and applications.